Hello students, in previous video we have seen asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. See, the asexual reproduction in unicellular organism mainly divided into three types. First one is the binary fission, second one is the multiple fission and third one is the budding. बघा हे तीनही आपण कंप्लीट केलेले आहे. सी, बायनरी फिजन is also divided by three types. First one is the simple binary fission, second one is the transverse binary fission and third one is the longitudinal binary fission. In that, simple binary fission is performed by or it is shown by the unicellular organism, that is nothing but the amoeba, because amoeba don't have a particular body shape. Due to lack of shape, it divides into any plane. Therefore, that type of fission is called as simple binary fission. Second one is the multiple fission. Simple binary fission, then transverse binary fission. Paramecium perform transverse binary fission and third one is the Euglena perform longitudinal binary fission. Second type in asexual reproduction in unicellular organism, that is nothing but the multiple fission. Body part of that particular organism divides into many parts. Okay, that is called as breaks into many parts, that is called as multiple fission. And third one is the budding. Budding is performed by yeast cells. Okay, there is a formation of two daughter nuclei takes place by yeast cell and there is a process of budding takes place. Paha, in this video we will discuss about the asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. See, when multicellular organism, asexual reproduction in multicellular organism is mainly divided into five types. First one is the fragmentation, second regeneration, third budding, fourth vegetative propagation and fifth is the spore formation. In that we have already seen the first type fragmentation. पण आता हे जर का चार बघणार आहोत तर त्याच्याबरोबर फ्रॅगमेंटेशनची देखील परत एकदा काय करूयात आपण उजळणी करूयात. पहा, दिस टाइप इज मेनली डिवाइडेड इनटू फाइव टाइप. आता multicellular organism having many cells, that is called as multicellular. First type is the fragmentation. What happen in fragmentation or when occur the fragmentation, this type of fragmentation, you can see the diagram on board. काय दिसते आपल्याला? Spirogyra perform this type of asexual reproduction, that is nothing but the fragmentation type of reproduction. What actually happen in fragmentation? Here is the parent Spirogyra and there is the parent Spirogyra. The each part of parent Spirogyra divides or breaks into many fragments and each fragment is start to live as a new organism. बघा, जिथं फ्रॅगमेंट हा शब्द येईल तिथं डोळे झाकून कोणतं रिप्रोडक्शन लिहायचं तर फ्रॅगमेंटेशन. इन द फ्रॅगमेंटेशन दिस टाइप इज अकर इन मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम. दी बॉडी पार्ट ऑफ मेन स्पायरोगायरा, बघा इथं पूर्ण दिसते, दी बॉडी पार्ट ऑफ मेन स्पायरोगायरा is divide into or break into many fragments and each fragment is start to live as a new organism. When this happen? When there is a plenty of food material and water. There is a lots of water and availability of food material. At that time Spirogyra perform this kind of fragmentation. Spirogyra belongs to algae. Like that, cycon-like sponge also perform fragmentation like reproduction. Okay, This is the first type, fragmentation. Body parts divide into many fragments and each fragment start to live as an new fragment. See here the second type, that is nothing but the regeneration. See, regeneration. Don't confuse with two words, reproduction and regeneration. Both are different terms. Okay, here is the second type of asexual reproduction in multicellular organism, that is nothing but the regeneration. See, all of you know that the wall lizard, or all of you see the wall lizard at the time of emergency break their tail, and the break tail regenerate the remaining part of the body. That type of reproduction called as regeneration type of asexual reproduction. See here, बोर्डवरती एक्झाम्पल लिहिलेलं आहे. कशाचं लिहिलेलं आहे तर प्लॅनेरिया. सी, दिस इज दी प्लॅनेरिया. व्हॉट हॅपन दी प्लॅनेरिया व्हेन सम animals like planaria when adverse condition takes place. Adverse condition म्हणजे कसली, जेव्हा there is a no availability of food material and water, means there is a lack of food material and water takes place. At that time or emergency happen, at that time planaria breaks their body part into 3 different parts. Okay, planaria breaks their body part into 3 different parts. The body part of this is known as head. This part is known as trunk, and last part is known as tail. How many parts of body of planaria? First one is the head, second one is the trunk and tail. When emergency or takes place, emergency when happen, at that time planaria break their body into different parts, and that break part again regenerate the remaining part of the body. That is nothing but the regeneration. म्हणजे काय होतं बघा, प्लॅनेरिया सारखे काही विशिष्ट प्राणी असतात, ज्यावेळी एखादी धोक्याची पातळी किंवा धोक्याची अवस्था निर्माण होते, तेव्हा तो काय करतो, त्याच्या बॉडीचे 3 पार्टमध्ये भाग करतो, जसं की आपल्याला बोर्डवरती दिसतंय. अँड दॅट बॉडी पार्ट अगेन रिजनरेट रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ अ बॉडी. दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी रिजनरेशन. जो काही ब्रेक झालेला भाग आहे बघा, इथं काय आहे, हेड आहे. ह्या हेडपासून पुन्हा पूर्ण प्लॅनेरिया तयार झालेला आहे. ओके, दिस इज दी ट्रंक. फ्रॉम दिस ट्रंक अगेन सेकंड प्लॅनेरियाज फॉर्म. दिस इज दी टेल. फ्रॉम दिस टेल remaining body part are also formed. This type of reproduction is known as regeneration, and it occur in animal like planaria and wall lizard. This is the second type of asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. See here, the third type is a budding. Already we have seen one kind of budding in asexual reproduction in unicellular organism, but in unicellular organism that budding is performed by each cell, and here is the, in case of multicellular organism, the budding is performed by hydra. See here, what happened? This is the parent hydra. Okay, why the process is called as budding, or when budding is a happen? See here, this is a parent hydra. Some favorable conditions when occur, or when the complete growth of hydra takes place. काय होतं तिथं? Some outgrowth takes place on the body of parent hydra. That outgrowth is known as bud, and the process is called as budding. बघा, जो काही मूळचा पॅरेंट हायड्रा आहे, जेव्हा फेवरेबल कंडिशन असते तेव्हा त्याच्या पेशीभित्तिकेवर एक फुगवटा तयार होतो, त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज बड. आफ्टर दॅट समटाईम धिस बड स्टार्ट ग्रो प्रोग्रेसिवली, इट व्हेरी फास्टली ग्रो, अँड फ्रॉम दॅट बड द बडिंग हायड्रा इज फॉर्म ॲज द यू कॅन सी इन द डायग्राम. धिस हायड्रा इज कॉल्ड ॲज nascent hydra. This hydra is called as nascent hydra, which is reproduced from this bud, and the process is called as budding. Firstly or initially this nascent hydra is depend on parent hydra, and when it is capable to live itself then it is independent. काय होतं बघा, पॅरेंट हायड्राला एक छोटीशी आउटग्रोथ त्याच्या शरीराच्या पेशीभित्तिकेवर येते, त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? बड असं म्हटलं जातं. आणि त्या बड जी आहे त्याचंच काय होतं? पुन्हा नवजात हायड्रामध्ये रूपांतर होतं, आणि जेव्हा तो नवजात हायड्रा त्याची वाढ जोपर्यंत कॅपेबल आहे तिथंपर्यंत, जोपर्यंत त्याची वाढ होत नाही तोपर्यंत तो पॅरेंट हायड्रावरती डिपेंड असतो, आणि नंतर तो इंडिपेंडंट राहायला सुरुवात करतो. दी प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज बडिंग. दी फोर्थ टाईप ऑफ asexual reproduction in multicellular organism, that is nothing but the vegetative propagation. आता vegetative propagation ऑलरेडी मी सांगितलेले आहे. ऑलरेडी वी हॅव सीन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is nothing but the reproduction in plant occur with the help of vegetative organ. Which is vegetative organ? The root, stem, leaf and bud. The reproduction occur with the help of this vegetative organ, that is root, stem, leaf and bud, called as vegetative propagation. You can see in the diagram, see this is the carrot, and carrot is perform vegetative propagation with the help of roots. हे जे दिसत आहेत आपल्याला साईडला, कशाच्या सहाय्याने करतो तो? विथ द हेल्प ऑफ रूट्स. इन द ब्रायोफायलम, दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ब्रायोफायलम. आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये पानफुटी म्हणतो. दिस इज द ब्रायोफायलम. द व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रोपगेशन ऑकर ऑर परफॉर्म बाय ब्रायोफायलम विथ द हेल्प ऑफ बड. बड म्हणजेच काय? मुकुल. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ बड विच इज प्रेझेंट ऑन लीफ मार्जिन. पानफुटी, जिथं त्या पानांच्या कडा अशा हे असतं की नाही, फुटलेलं असतं की नाही, तिथंच त्याचं काय होतं? रिप्रोडक्शन होतं. इन केस ऑफ पोटॅटो द व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रोपगेशन इज परफॉर्म विथ द हेल्प ऑफ आईज. बघा कोंब आलेले दिसतात की नाही, थोड्या दिवसांनी आपल्या जर घरात ते बटाटे तसेच राहिले तर तिथं कोंब आलेले दिसतात, अँड विच इज प्रेझेंट ऑन दी ट्यूबर. आणखी एक्झाम्पल घेऊ शकतो आपण. इन केस ऑफ शुगर केन अँड ग्रासेस the vegetative propagation is also performed with the help of bud which is present on a node. म्हणजे मी काय सांगितलं, ऊसाच्या कांड्या जे असतात नाही ऊसाचे, त्याच्यावरती त्याच्या पेरांवरती बघा एक छोटासा डोळ्यासारखं असं असतं की नाही, त्याच्या साहाय्यानं काय केलं जातं? व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रपोगेशन होतं. दिस इज दी फोर्थ टाईप ऑफ asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. And fifth one is the spore formation. In this type, what happen actually, how to spore form? See here, take a piece of wet bread and bhakri and keep it in a humid place. After some days or 2-3 days, if a fungi grows on that piece of a bread or piece of a bhakri, and the spore are formed, that process is called as spore formation. If this spore we can take and observe under the microscope, आपल्याला अशा पद्धतीनं डायग्राम दिसते. This is called as mucor or this is called as fungi, and this having a filamentous body, and body consists of sporangium. This is called as sporangium, and in this sporangium spore are formed, and the process is called as spore formation. After some days this sporangium is burst and spore are रिलीज. इथं दाखवलेलं आहे बघा, मी अर्धच दाखवलेलं आहे. हे स्पोरेंजियम काय होतं, बस्ट होतं आणि काही थोड्या दिवसांनी ते स्पोर काय होतात, बाहेर येतात. अँड द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज स्पोर फॉर्मेशन. दिस स्पोर इफ वी प्लेस्ड इन अ warm or wet place, a fungal family is produced. A number of fungal family is produced. In that बघा इथं जे दिसते, it is called as spore, this is called as sporangium, it is called as hyphae, and खाली जे दिसतात याला म्हणायचं राइझॉइड. अँड द स्पोर फॉर्मेशन, द एक्झाम्पल इज अ म्युकर. सी, अशा पद्धतीनं आज आपण काय पाहिलेलं आहे, असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम is divided into main 5 types. First one is the fragmentation, occur by or done by Spirogyra and Cycon. Second one is the regeneration. Example आपण सांगू शकतो Planaria and wall lizard. Third one is the budding found in a Hydra. Fourth one is a vegetative propagation performed by vegetative organ like leaf, root, stem and bud. And fifth one is the spore formation. An example is the mucor which having a filamentous body. अशा पद्धतीनं आपला असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन हा पॉईंट इथं पूर्णपणे झालेला आहे. इन नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दी सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. थँक्यू.